Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the Allure beauty box. I'm really sorry it's taken me like more than a week since I got the box to do this. I've just been crazy busy, but I really am excited to share this month's box with you. So here it is. I wonder if you can guess or if you already know what the surprise is inside. But anyway, before we get into it, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe. Go ahead, just do it. Follow along on this amazing journey. Okay, so as you know from my previous Allure beauty box reviews and product try-ons, it's always a little surprising to me. Now it's becoming less surprising, obviously, that when the box comes in this like branded shipping box as opposed to the way that it used to come, which was in like this really beautiful kind of packaging that looked like a gift box. But I bet you can guess why. It's another compact bag, and I am so excited. This one's white, and it's really opaque. So now I've got the red one that's translucent, the black one that's like half opaque, half translucent, and this white one that is very opaque. So full summer clutch collection taken care of. Very exciting. Also really good for filling into your purse. Like I use my red one in my never full bag with all of my cosmetics and different things that I carry in my bag. So super excited about this. So I did peek this month's guide so that I knew what to expect. And because of that, I left my face naked. I did wash it and that's it. So with that, let's get into what's inside the box and the goodies. Show you this Brightening Gel Cleanser. It's a green apple and it's by Juice Beauty. Unfortunately, it does have retinol in it, and because I'm pregnant, it's recommended that if you're pregnant and breastfeeding, you don't use any retinol products. So I'm not going to be able to try this out, but according to the review and the guide, it's pretty amazing. So definitely worth checking out. I also love the size of it. It's really big. So I'm a little sad I can't try it, but I'm sure somebody else will, and please comment, share your thoughts and ideas on it. Next is the Mammond Rose Water Toner. And if you remember last month, we got the Mammond Oil to Foam Cleanser, which by the way, I've been loving. Like I've been using it every night. It melts my makeup off. So I actually ordered the full size bottle of it because it's more eco-friendly and just works so much better than cleansing cloths. But anyway, this is the toner. So let's see how it works. It smells really good. It smells just like the oil to foam cleanser does. I'm using a little cotton ball to apply the toner onto. Just gonna go ahead and saturate it. Ooh, it's really like, it's not like a toner that I'm used to at all. It's almost oily, but not like greasy, just kind of hydrating. So that's interesting. Feels really silky and smooth going on, which is funny because it's actually what the guide said. But you always feel like, maybe they are exaggerating a little bit. No, this really goes on really nice and smooth. And it smells really, really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry. And then next, we have here the Belief Gel Moisturizer. I like the packaging, it's very like medicinal, apothecaric, right? And then it's a very thick gel in there, you can see. So I'm gonna put this on. It's called the True Cream Aqua Balm, and it says it's increased hydration level. It smells a little medicinal, but like in a good way, like a really high-end spa product. It's not floral or delicate in any way. So I literally used a really small amount. I literally just used my fingertip and that much a couple times around. And it is super penetrating. My skin feels really hydrated. I really like this a lot. Okay, and then while that dries a little bit, I want to show you the Allure by London Town nail polish that was sent. It's really pretty. It's kind of a pastel pink, and it's very pretty. I'm not gonna try it because I get salon manicures, but this is really, really pretty. And in the summer, I definitely paint my own nails, especially my toes, a lot more frequently than I do during any of the other seasons because the beach and playing outdoors, and it just messes up manicures. So I keep up with self-painting on a more regular basis in the summer. So I'm very excited to try this. Also, it's a color I can let my daughter use because it's really delicate and very ladylike. So it's really pretty, and the packaging is nice. So again, if you try it, let me know what you think. Okay, so now my face is feeling dry enough. So the next thing that we're gonna try here is the Allure Seriously Smooth Blue Tansy Night Oil. And I'm very excited to try this. I've tried the Sunday Riley Blue Night Oil, and I am obsessed with that. So I'm curious to see if this is a comparable product. So the packaging is interesting. It's not branded at all. It's kind of different. Ooh, and it's on a roller. So let's see how that works. Oh, it smells so good. It's really delicate, kind of floral, herby scent. It's really, really pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth this into my skin, because I don't think the roller really did much but apply. It smells really good. So it's a bit greasier than I like for any face oils, I'll be honest. As you can see, it makes me like really shiny. But again, it smells really, really good. So I'm gonna try it overnight tonight, and I'll write in the comments and let you know how that goes. But for right now, I think it's a little too much. So I'm just gonna wipe just a little bit of it off, just kind of that extra kind of pat dry my skin, because it's really a lot. Okay, maybe I just used too much. Maybe you need to find the balance, because like now that I did that, it feels really good. And again, it smells so amazing. But that first application was just way too much. It was really kind of greasy. Now that I took some of that excess off, it feels much better. So again, I'll let you know how it feels as an overnight cream or oil. Okay, and then next is this all natural cream multi-stick. And so it's this really pretty coral color. So you could use it as a lipstick or a blush. I guess even as an eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, if you want to go for that very like pigmented, springy look. But let's see how it looks on the apples of my cheeks. Oh. I like how it goes on. It's very creamy. Oh yeah, that's really pretty for the summer, especially because in the summer I try not to use foundation. I usually just use either like a really good primer or a tinted moisturizer. So I tend to like the cream or liquid based makeup that helps with the enhancing in the summer, and I really like this. Like the texture's really good. The consistency is not too wet or too oily or anything. It's really like a cream, and then it's a good amount of pigmentation. Let's see how it looks on my eyelids. And then you can see on my finger, it really is pigmented. I think that's pretty. It's got a light level of shimmer in it. So it's a great summer product. I like it very much. Okay, and then last is this Burt's Bee lipstick. And it did say in the guide that there's going to be several different colors being sent out. So the color that I got is the 501 Blush Basin. And it's another one of those like mauve taupe colors that I really like. It's really creamy. Ooh, it's it's a little light for my skin tone, but I love it, and I love Burt's Bees products. It just might be a little too light for my skin tone. But I think that if you have less warmth in your skin naturally than I do, you would probably, or cooler tones I should say, it'll probably look really good. Because it's warm, it's just too light. So, that's it. That is the March Allure Beauty Box. I like the products. Really, really good staples for summer, which, you know, we're a few months away from summer, but at least here in Texas, the outside does not know that. It's already 70 degrees today. So, really happy with the products, very excited. Like always, I will update the comments and let you know how prolonged use feels and how, if my opinions change at all. But so far, really happy. A big fan of the gel moisturizer and a big fan of the cream multi-use makeup stick. So, all right, let me know your thoughts and I'll see you again soon. Bye.